In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DocuSign Error 401 quickly and easily. If you're seeing a 401 unauthorized error when trying to send or prepare an envelope in DocuSign, don't worry. This is usually related to login sessions, account permissions, or browser issues, and it can be resolved in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through 6 simple fixes, step by step, so you can get back to sending documents without any interruptions. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log out of DocuSign completely and then log back in. A 401 error often happens when your session expires or your authentication token becomes invalid. So go to DocuSign, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and choose Log Out. Once you're fully signed out, close the browser tab, reopen it, and then go back to apps.docusign.com and sign in again with your email and password. After logging back in, try accessing the document or sending the envelope again to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to check that you're using the correct DocuSign account. Many users have access to multiple accounts, such as a personal account and a business account, and sometimes you might be logged into the wrong one. After logging in, click on your profile name and look for the account switcher. Make sure you've selected the correct account associated with the documents you're trying to access. Switching to the correct account can immediately resolve the 401 unauthorized error if it's permission-related. Step 3 is simple, but very effective. Reload the page. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary glitch or incomplete page load. Just click the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl and R on Windows, or Command and R on Mac. Allow the page to fully reload, and then try your action again. This can reinitialize the session and fix minor loading problems. If the issue continues, step 4 is to try using DocuSign in an Incognito window or a different browser. Open a new Incognito or private browsing window in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then go to the DocuSign website and log in from there. Incognito mode disables most extensions and uses a clean session, which helps identify whether the issue is caused by cached data or a browser extension conflict. If it works in incognito mode, then the issue is most likely related to your main browser settings or extensions. That leads us to step 5, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted cache files or outdated cookies can cause authentication errors like 401. Go to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Clear the data, close your browser completely, reopen it, and then log back into DocuSign. Once you're signed back in, test the action again. Finally, if none of these steps work, step 6 is to check the DocuSign system status. Occasionally, the problem isn't on your end at all. DocuSign may be experiencing temporary service disruptions. You can check their official status page by searching for DocuSign status in Google. If there's an outage or degraded performance reported, you'll need to wait until their system is fully operational again. So to quickly recap, log out and log back in. Make sure you're using the correct account, reload the page, try Incognito or another browser, clear your cache and cookies, and finally check the DocuSign system status. One of these steps will usually fix DocuSign Error 401 in just a few minutes. I hope this guide helped you resolve the issue and get back to sending documents smoothly. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.